What are transactional emails and how to use them to sell? In today's video, we're going to take a look at transactional emails and how you can use them to sell from. Now, firstly, we need to understand what a transactional email is and how they differ from our regular email marketing. A transactional email is used to confirm a transaction between you and your contact. Typically, it's a way of passing on information. An example of a transactional email could be an email letting a user know their username and password. Or another example could be an order confirmation email. This would be an email that the customer receives confirming the details of an order that they've just placed via your website. These emails are generally just used to pass on important information. Using them as a way of selling is often overlooked by most of us. Now, historically, we've always thought that selling takes place with email marketing newsletters and that transactional emails are there purely to pass on information. You may have noticed, though, that some emails that you receive confirming an online order that you have just placed may also subtly suggest other products that you might be interested in. Now, this technique of subtly presenting products may really complement the initial purchase that that person has made and is a really superb way of gaining additional sales. Some of the big companies such as Amazon have been doing this for a while and it really works. Now, the secret to selling in transactional emails is all about being subtle, along with using a tone that's suggestive rather than overtly selling. Phrases used to deliver this message are often passive. For example, congratulations on the purchase of your XYZ. You may also like to consider, and then outline some more products. Or, customers who purchased this product also bought XYZ. Now, the tone is very subtle, but nonetheless, it really does plant the seed of potential interest in more of your products. It's really great for secondary sales. Now, in your business, you're probably using quite a few transactional emails to communicate with your customers. So why not try some of these subtle selling techniques to increase secondary sales? If it's done correctly, it really does work rather well. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful and informative.